Hey, what's up guys? Will here, coming with you another video. This time I got an unboxing video of something I told you guys in my last video, and I thought I'd make an unboxing of it. Gonna be opening up with this right here, this old knife. Try to do it with one hand. Definitely not the smartest, but alright. And here they are. This is the Benjamin 750 Airgun 177 caliber hollow points. Let's get a little thumbnail action right there. Boom. And yeah, these are what I've been waiting for about 2 days now. I'm gonna open it up real quick, see how I open them. I'm just gonna hit it from the side. Alright, there we go. Ah, man. Why did I make this so hard to do? Jesus. Just bear with me, guys. I'm trying my best. Alright, I think I got it now. Put you guys down for a second. All you guys are gonna see is blackness for just a moment. There we go. Ooh, this is heavy. It's actually got some weight to it. Here's the pellets right there out of the package. Now, sorry, you guys are gonna see blackness again.